Jai Hind to everyone. My dear students, be ready for next topic as I continue tracing changes through 1,000 years. Reason and empire. Yes, this is next topic. Before starting this topic, take care of some important terms. These terms are encompassing. Encompassing means very big. Claims of conquest means to take control. Conquer. Conquer means to take control or to win. Spanning diverse region means expanded in different parts of the country. Realms means area or regions. Dear students, you have to study many chapters related to this topic in this history textbook. Through this topic, we are going to find out such encompassing region and empire as Cholas, Tughlaqs, or Mughals. During 1266 to 1287, the Delhi Sultan Ghayasuddin Balban was the ruler of a vast empire including Bengal, Ghazni in Afghanistan, and some part of South India. You can see map third at page number 9. Many states of Delhi Sultanate during Muhammad Tughlaq's reign. Here you can see a question. Why do you think rulers made such claims? Or why do you think rulers made such claims of conquest? Actually, they protected their kingdom with their courage and power. The rulers wanted to conquer and save the states. Now look at this description of language and reason at page number 10. In 1318, the poet Amir Khusro noted that there was a different language in every region of this country. This is an interesting question. That did you notice that the names by which languages are known have changed over time? We find that Sanskrit language changed over time. Dear students, now try to understand what does the term pan-regional empire mean? What does the term pan-regional empire mean? Note it. The term pan-regional empire means the empires which were spanning diverse regions, which was expanded to a larger areas like dynasties of Cholas, Khiljis, Tughlaqs, and Mughals. After the decline of Mughal Empire in the 18th century, we study about the re-emergence of regional states as well as many traditions and elite cultures. You should know the meaning of elite. Elite means a most important social group because of its power and money. Now, students, we got many important points through this topic. So, you should properly revise this topic. In the next meeting, we will complete this lesson. Thank you.